What is up, guys, and welcome to the channel. So it's me, it's back. As you guys can see, we are in a different shop today. Barely any lights. That's the only light we got right now. So I have a video that I'm about to start making over here, and it's kind of cold outside, and we have to install some lights and install a couple other things in a shop here so we can get a couple things going. So just borrowing a shop from my cousin, and let me reveal the new build. So what are we about to do? Just picked it up and defrosted yet. So we got a GL450 2014 mild accident. What I meant by mild, I think everything is crushed back here. It's still frozen over. So we go ahead and turn the lights on. So guys, this is mild damage, what I would call. So we got a lot of parts for the car. It's cracked, rebar. So we got a hood. What is the fender? We got a fender back here, and we got a bumper, which is used. We gotta fix this. It's a little slight damage. We'll change all the trim on the bumper because this trim is all good, undamaged. So we'll pull all this off and let me know. I was just looking at the hood, see if we can fix it. I mean, there's some slight damage on the hood. I'll see if I can fix this. That's the only damage on it. See if I can fix it. If not, then we'll just go ahead and use the other hood from the other side. So the rest of the car looks pretty good. So we just got this one, and this is gonna be our project for next week, I would say, because by the time I take everything off, switch everything over, I think I'm gonna have to repaint the fender. I don't think they're the same color. This one looks a little more, has a little more metallic in it, and this one doesn't. This one is just pure white. So this is it, guys. So I'm back, I'm building, and soon we'll have this bad boy done. We have enough room for this. The body work we're gonna do somewhere else. I'm gonna bundle it here, but I'm gonna take somewhere else to get it painted. But yeah, this is it. 2014 GLS. I mean, actually GL 2014. So this is what I'm gonna be working on, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow up. Hit that notification bell button so you can follow the series of this. Probably maybe 2-3 videos. But yeah, stay tuned, and it's coming up, guys. It's coming up. So excited about working outside on the cold since we don't have a shop. Sold the house, don't have the garage. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Working in somebody else's garage. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're back at we're here back at the shop. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna pull the bumper off, get a hood up in here, pull the front clip off, and go from there. See what we have to do. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, there you go. So we can see what we have to do. So we installed some of these lights from the old shop. Just hung them up for now until we get this thing going. But yep, this is it. Alright, guys, so got a hood up. So they gotta take the, oh man, I didn't see this damage. There's a damage, a little bit crack right here. Yeah, it's gonna be tough too. Okay, so most of this front bumper is off. All the clips are broken off. So what I'm about to do is pull all the bolts underneath and to the side, get this fender off, get the fender off from here, and go work on this radiator support. So what I'm gonna do is start pulling all these guys off. They're all jammed in here. Yeah, gotta get all these things out. Hidden damage. Everything's broken. Cooler. put in a radiator support. There's a couple things needs to be removed. So this side pump has to be disconnected. Pull the side so we can go ahead and air pump. Frame rails, everything else looks good. All right, so we have a radiator support that's gone, fan that hit the pipe, that's gone, so we'll pull this guy out, everything else is out of the way. And we have this little T that's broken off, so we have to get a new coolant pump hose. Everything else should look really good. So everything is disconnected, so I want to pull this guy out and get this radiator support out of the way so we can move on. We got all this off now. So now if I had this, I could have gone and put everything back together, but since I don't have it, this one is all cracked up and jacked up, so we're gonna use this because you're gonna need all the bolts, wiring harness, probably all the sensors. The rebar is really good, no damage, no other damage but this coolant hose, which I really think cracked off and leaked all the coolant out, because everything else looks really good. We need a fan. This guy is a little bit cracked right here, but I think this is okay. Let's put a little bit plastic weld. Spins, no issues. And just a little crack right here. I think we can fix this, no problem. Both headlights are cracked, so we gotta fix those, take them home. And the bumper is also all destroyed. So the bumper, I didn't know, this all comes in one piece. And this side, it's a backing plate on the bumper, whatever this stands for. So I can remove all the bottom outside plastics and replace that with the other bumper that we got. This one is pretty good, it's not cracked or anything. So this one is pretty good. So we just have to remove the bottom trim, fix this right here, heat it up, and this should go back in place. and everything else looks really good. So, and we also need a oil cooler or intercooler or whatever that. I think it's an intercooler, water to turbochargers. So they're coming down here. So this pump right here, I think they're pulling the whole system. I mean, everything else looks good, undamaged, car runs and drives. So I think we should have everything buttoned up as soon as we get this guy. So what I'm about to do is take some parts off from here. So the reason airbags didn't go off because these guys didn't touch anything. I saw it was really close. So let's go ahead and disassemble this so we can use it for another one. And we need to pull this guy out. This aluminum just cracks. Leave it all, man. Do you say this is aluminium or aluminum?
Aluminium.
Aluminium.